Okay, so this is kind of a main road all the way down this way, but we're gonna be going the other way, but we can see all the people kind of coming across right now, so. And what we're gonna be doing is going down the other way and showing you this main street right here. And we're gonna be walking by some of these gold shops. They got performers in front of them. And then we're also gonna be walking all the way down towards this kind of European one way down there. And that street sign has a map and it has this street that we're on right here. So anyways, actually this could be an interesting street to walk down as well. Huh. I think this one's called Zhongshan. There's a lot of people coming out of this one. And I haven't filmed this yet. But this is actually, I think I am gonna walk down this one. So this is actually at this crosswalk of this one, which is, so we're gonna do this one instead. Zhongshan Avenue. Let me just kind of come up over here real quick. Zhongshan Avenue. Wuhan. Okay, so we're in Wuhan, China. Let me put this on the map called Zhongshan, which is kind of cool. Zhongshan is there's a big city in Guangdong, but this is actually in Wuhan, and it's a big avenue that goes across this pedestrian street. So in this particular street, I'm gonna be walking down it, and it's kind of cool. There's a lot of interesting stuff. It's well, you'll see. You can see it in the background already in the preview. So I'm gonna get right into Zhongshan Avenue, and I'm gonna be doing like about 75 seconds of a music preview where I just cut up the shots and you can see an idea of what you're gonna see coming up ahead. And then you're gonna come back and I'll have the camera. I'll be walking around and doing my walk and talk, so you can hear me interact and react to the sights and sounds around me in Wuhan on Zhongshan Avenue. So anyways, this is what we're doing, and this is number 11 of 18, so there's 18 total Wuhan. That means I still got 7 more, so like and subscribe, and later I'm just building it all the way up to have all 18 up. So every 5 days I'll do another Wuhan one, and then we'll have a little body of work here for you guys. So anyways, I know you want to see Zhongshan Avenue. Let's get into it. Music video first, and then the walk and talk. Wuhan. So we're in Wuhan. Zhongshan Avenue is going to be our focus street. This other street, I think it's called, I'm just going to walk over here real quick. Oh, actually, this one looks kind of interesting all the way down. This is the one I was on, which is a pretty busy street. And I think our Zhongshan goes down all the way down there as well. And I'm just capturing kind of all the interesting stuff, and then we're going to go down that way. So Zhongshan is going to be our focus here. This one's been having performers, so we're going to walk over here before we go down Zhongshan. So I was going to capture these. There's been entertainers performance up on this area for I think every evening. It was like that last night as well. And I was gonna walk down this way. It goes all the way down to the waterfront. And but instead I'm gonna come down this way instead. And we're gonna walk down Zhongshan instead. This street that I'm on is really lively, but I did film this other way last night, all the way down that way, and there's kind of a little bit of a dark spell where it's a little bit quiet. And this Zhongshan is one I haven't walked down, but I can see all the people everywhere down this area. So let's walk on down, see what we can see. So there's a street sign, Zhongshan Avenue and Wuhan, giving you a little taste of the city here. And this street, I haven't walked down it, but it looks like we're going towards some parks. And there's also the metro right there as well. The guy had Christmas. The guy had Christmas theme, green and red. Checkered red pants or checkered green pants? Anyways, the guy that went by on a bike. Okay, so this is Zhongshan Avenue. We're kind of in this lively area of Wuhan. The street that we started at is a pedestrian street and seems to be a very popular pedestrian street. Ah, okay. This one goes down to the waterfront as well. I walked down it earlier today and it was so quiet and kind of boring, and now it looks really busy. Wow. Might have to go down there. So we are going to go down Zhongshan more. I think somebody said hello, but I couldn't identify who that was. I'm getting lots of hellos anyways. So we're going to keep on walking all the way down to that park. Waiting for all the people though. I don't know. I kind of have everybody's backs, which is what I don't really like. I don't like walking in a pack with everybody's backs. The street's a little bit loud. A lot of horn honking. I guess when on that pedestrian street, they can't, there's no through traffic, but on this one there's a lot of horn honking. This is another train entrance too. Okay. So I'm not sure where these crowds are coming from. But there's a lot of crowds, a lot of bikes, a lot of people. So I think that guy was handicapped. So a lot of Wuhan reminds me a lot of when I lived in Korea a long time ago. I used to live in Korea in 1996 to 2008, and especially early on when I was there was a lot of handicapped that would be like that guy, just kind of okay. So this street over here, I walked down it last night a little bit, and there's a ton of restaurants. But we're gonna keep on going down Zhongshan Street. Hey, look at all those restaurants. Okay, so we're just gonna give these crowds. There's still lots of crowds all the way down. More people down that way as well. But I want to keep on going down Jianghan. Looks like there's a park over there that looks maybe a little bit more interesting than what I'm on. Let's see if I can go across here. I guess I can. So now we're in a park. Sculptures. This park is more walkable, more interesting. And I don't know if we're gonna see, I don't know if we're on a cobblestone. Let's just keep on walking down. So I guess this is also part of Zhongshan Avenue as well. It's kind of cool. It looks like a bar. It says La Wan Cheng 1910. Cultural heritage. Hubei. Okay, so we're just gonna walk. Okay. Looks like a kind of a cool little street in here. Yeah, Wuhan has lots of these little cool neighborhoods everywhere. But I'm not going to walk down it because I want to stay to Zhongshan. But this looks like something worth possibly a separate video if it wasn't so laid out already. So 1949 to 2000. Okay. So all of these are kind of the old style. Okay, so we're gonna come on out. Zhongshan Road. And I'm gonna come to an end here. This just kind of goes on and on and on, which is cool. But I kind of want to get back to that pedestrian street. There's a lot of little streets in here that I kind of want to see. This kind of reminds me of Shanghai a little bit. Shanghai had all these like French concession and different stuff, and Wuhan had it too. It's like nice trees all the way down that way. But that's Zhongshan Road, Zhongshan Avenue. Here in Wuhan.